Do you love cool gadgets? If so, sit back, relax, and enjoy these amazing devices you can buy on Amazon. The manufacturer of this gadget recommends using it to store keys, credit cards, ID cards, and other items that you don't want to just leave on the entryway table, saying that they tested the safe 10,000 times by hammering it, and it still functions great. The safe can withstand temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit and can be opened using a smartphone or the traditional method by entering a PIN code on the keyboard. 2 AA batteries will last you a year. The app has a ton of helpful features, such as the activation log and the issuance of one-time codes. The main component is SPCC cold-rolled steel, which is frequently used to create computer cases. The manufacturers recommend using SPCC cold-rolled steel and charge $70 for their product. Just think, over 24 billion pairs of shoes were manufactured worldwide in 2020. That's 3 pairs for each person on the planet. While you wear one of those, you need to take care of the other 2, and this device allows you to dry 2 pairs of shoes at the same time. The device is very versatile, and you can dry shoes, of course, but you can also dry socks and gear like helmets, clothes, hats, gloves, and towels. The model is equipped with a timer, and the duration of the process depends on the item and its condition. For example, wet boots need from 1 to 3 hours to dry. A delicate mode of operation will not allow your things to shrink or deform. The price is about $100. Here's a cool gadget for your kitchen. It makes it easy to clean glasses, cups, bottles, and other kitchen items. The price starts at $57, and considering that people all over the world drink more than 2 billion cups of coffee each day, it'll come in handy everywhere, at home or at work. The device is made of stainless steel and delivers up to 2.6 gallons of water per minute. It's easy to install, too. Everything is explained in the video manual. The seller is sure that the gadget will help you waste less water and save time. Plus, it's easy to match your kitchen with the 6 available colors. It's not surprising that the market for UAVs will reach almost $43 billion by 2025, because they can be used for everything, from military operations to food delivery. And of course, there are also recreational drones, like this small model, that costs about $50. It's less than a Matchbox car's weight at 0.35 ounces and has 3 flight modes in addition to a gyroscope and an accelerometer. Anyone can operate it, even a beginner. It's perfect for having fun at home and practicing before you buy something bigger, because the 100 milliamp-hour battery lasts for about 8 minutes of flying and charges in about half an hour. There are also 4 spare blades included in case you crash. Simple spinners with dimples. Since the market for anti-stress toys is expanding rapidly, and expanding our vocabulary as well, designers from around the world have developed their own anti-stress toys in order to capitalize on the huge profits. According to the seller of this model, these gadgets reduce stress by 80%. For a reasonable $4, you can keep your hands busy to declutter your mind and calm down. However, the seller didn't provide a way to eliminate the remaining 20% of your stress. The next device for the kitchen comes from the United Kingdom. All you have to do is turn on the device, and it will begin gently stirring the contents of a pot or pan. Its legs are made of heat-resistant nylon that can withstand temperatures of up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, so that your food won't stick to the bottom. It's powered by 4 AA batteries, and the $25 device has 3 speeds and a built-in timer. Its unique movement simulates natural stirring. According to recent statistics, more than 580 million bicycles are in use worldwide, and the rentals of electric bikes and scooters increased in popularity by 26% during the pandemic, so it's no surprise that there are now a variety of accessories available for safe and comfortable riding. This backpack is a great example. It costs $69 and has 4 LED lights that can be used as turn signals. They are activated by a wireless remote that is simple to attach. The model has a capacity of 5.3 gallons and can be folded down to the size of an iPad mini. The battery lasts about 20 hours. People who like to carry handbags and backpacks everywhere often run into a problem. There's nowhere to put them. You don't want to put it on the floor. It's uncomfortable to hold this on your lap, and it slips off the back of your chair. You can solve this problem for just $12 with this product. The makers didn't invent the wheel here. They just made a regular folding hook. It weighs 1.2 ounces and can hold up to 11 pounds. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. The video game series Watch Dogs is very well liked. Watch Dogs Legion alone sold about 1.9 million copies digitally. One of the highlights of the game is the variety of masks, which you can find on many websites. Some even held mask design competitions, awarding the winners with collector's editions of the game and other bonuses. Many people also make new masks using 3D printers, and you can purchase this model for $45 from well-known online retailers. Buyers are offered 25 different emotions. The size is universal at 6.7 by 6.3 inches, and the emoji change button on the right side of the mask allows for a variety of breathtaking photographs. Power is provided by a CR2032 battery. Next up is a creation by a company in Switzerland known for its unusual watches. The inspiration for this model came from the most unexpected objects, like Bugatti cars. The company has promised that it will produce only 25 pieces and sell them for about $253,000 each. Behind the 0.9-ounce watch case is some incredibly painstaking craftsmanship. The case is made of PVD-coated titanium, and the dial is covered with a sapphire dome. The power reserve is 48 hours, and the watch withstands immersion to almost 100 feet. To see the seconds indicators, you have to lift the case like the hood of a car. The Halo series is no less famous. The Master Chief Super Soldier's Tale first appeared in video games before moving into comic books, TV shows, feature films, and more. The Energy Sword, a noble and ancient weapon wielded by the strongest of the Sangili race, is one of the most recognizable weapons in the Halo universe. There are many fans who want a copy, and manufacturers are happy to oblige. For instance, there is a $93 version of the Mega Construct series that is about 25 inches long, but right now, you can see a cooler homemade version with awesome light effects made by a YouTuber. The creators of Treed claim that they followed the fashion trend for eco-friendly products by creating a 3D printed wireless charger with a sweet twist. The shape of the device reminds us of beehives, and the authors point out that bees are very important for the planet. For example, they are the creatures who pollinate 80% of flowering plants. The device's body is made of a cornstarch-based material, and the cables are partially made of straw. There are 1,296 possible combinations from which each buyer can create their own custom gadget. If your smartphone supports MagSafe, the purchase will also be useful as a phone stand. Being eco-friendly will set you back at least $36. Did you know that the woman who created spinners never became a millionaire? She created spinners in 1993, but by the time it became popular, her patents had already expired. Even today, businesses all over the world are creating and selling their own iterations as a result of the spinner mania. Lights, sound effects, unbreakable bearings, unusual shapes made of titanium. The manufacturer's creativity is limitless. For instance, these Amazon models have low noise bearings and can spin for up to 5 minutes. This AliExpress model has an innovative design and offers a variety of lighting options. It starts at $19.